the Father, and the Holy Spirit. Hindi ko marinig. Father, Son.
Ayan, thank you, baby Jen. Siyempre, baby Jen, dito tayo tapos. Let's go. Ayan. Let's go, Ma'am Flora. Ayan, dito sa dance na po. Sumama si Ma'am Flora. Okay, sir. Ayan naman yan. Ayan, host di ba na, siyempre, sir? All you need to do is just participate to our games. Okay, so, children's dance, the Jollibee. Let's go. Step up. 1, 2, 3, hey, drop. One more time. Wave. Si Mami Flora kaya masimayin ng tibay. And 3, 2, step 1, 2, 3, and go. 1, 2.
Christmas season 2025, let's make it very special for the entire family, even if it's just us 15 or 16 or 17. It's special because you all are special. Okay? You all are special. And we celebrate because it's the birth of Jesus Christ. So, Merry Christmas!
Maganda naman kanong pati yun, Mami. Wala ba sasabi mo? So, Alex, I need one person that will going to participate to our next na game. Sino po? Naomi! Sino ang gusto mong kasama na mag-participate sa ating game?
Jopay!
Jopay, sino po ang gusto mong kasama?
Julia!
Shoulders, knees and toes, head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose, head, shoulders, go! Awesome, go! Okay, so raise your cup, everybody. 1, 2, 3, so that means group of Team Alex got 1 point. And 1 point sa mga Team Alex, and of course, Doon! Balikat! Uno! Head! Baso! Head, nose! Head! Baso! Pass play number 2. Exhibition. Pass play number 3. Dribble ball. Pass play number 4. Exhibition. Pass play number 5. Play number 5. Shoot that ball! Ating gagawin. Shoot that ball eh! Ayan, tama. Shoot that ball eh! Dedicate play number 2. Dribble ball. Play number 3. Dribble ball. Pass play number 2. Exhibition. Pass play number 4. Play number 5. Dribble ball. Pass play number 1. Shoot that ball! Number 4. Exhibition. Pass play number 3. Spaghetti. Pababa. Pass play number 5. Exhibition. Pass play number 1. Ocho. Pass play number 2. Shoot that ball! Pass play number 2. Spaghetti. Pababa. Pass play number 1. Number 1. Shoot that ball! Spaghetti. Pababa. Pass play number 5. Ocho. Pass play number 3. Exhibition. Pass play number 3. Shoot that ball! Nakita na yung barkada. Reason? Si Ma'am Laura? Ayan, ayan. Are you guys ready? Ready! Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on!
Let's go! Dahil we have a special
Mamaya
request for
bubuksan na, sabay-sabay. Okay.
Ay daw sila.
Yeah.
Oy, porsyento daw, oh.
Okay.
Ay, pag-isa na sila. Jollibee! 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 Wala mo ba sila mo pala pa, John? Napabilib mo si Mami Milapay. Kasi gumagana pa talaga siya, hawak ko na eh. Ano, best friend? Ay, iba, iba daw. Ano, best friend?
Hindi, ito pala Jollibee ang bibigay.
Ayaw pa ibigay? Sinaselfie pa mga Flora? Wow! Abuksan mo na mga Flora! Abuksan mo na mga Flora! Ngayon, sasalita ni Jollibee pang balik ko. Best friend Jollibee, tulungan mo na si Ma'am Flora. Ano kaya yan? Baka po may malaglag. Wow! Jollibee.